Hello everyone, Michael back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your SharePoint list data into your Power BI. If you enjoy Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, and SharePoint videos, feel free to subscribe because I'll be putting out more videos in those areas. And now for my intro. Okay, so I am in my marketing SharePoint, and let's say I want to import my employee data into a Power BI report. Let me go ahead and navigate over to Power BI. And you want to create a new file or use an existing file. In the top left hand corner, you have a button up here that says Get Data. I'm just going to click on that, and that should bring a pop up in the middle of your screen. So you have a few different data sources that you can choose from. So feel free, if you're using very many different sources, to check it out. In my case, I'm just going to use a SharePoint list. So you can either type it in the search bar, or you can just navigate down to Other, click on SharePoint list, click on Connect. Now it's going to ask me for the SharePoint list site URL. Let me navigate back to my SharePoint, and I will go back to the home page because you just want the base link to your SharePoint. I will go ahead and copy that, and then I will paste it into the pop-up, click on OK. So now it should bring up another pop-up displaying all of the SharePoint lists that you have access to on the site. So you can import whatever list that you want to work with. You can import this, then you can add another SharePoint site, get data from that one. In my case, I want to go ahead and grab the employee data because that is what I am working with today. I'm just going to check that box. So we have two options, three options actually. You can either load the data as it is. I can either go in and transform this data so I can do some data manipulation or some other actions to get the data to look how I want it to, or I can cancel. In my case, I'll just go ahead and transform the data to show you guys what happens. If you click on load, it's just going to go ahead and allow you to add graphs and everything. I get a message up here. The data is 21 days old, so I'm just going to refresh it so I get the latest data. And we have all of my employees here. I can see all the columns. I can see the column types up here. Everything looks good to me. If you want to go ahead and do some actions, you can explore them up top, but everything looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on the top left-hand side, close and apply. Now it's going to reload your data again if you made any data changes. And I already have another list in here. I have my employee data in here now. I am able to use it. So if I click on the left-hand side on the table view, I can go ahead, I can see all my data rows, the columns, and everything. I can go ahead and create any of the dashboards that I want to make. That is how you import your SharePoint list data into Power BI. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's pretty simple, so I think you guys can handle it. If you like the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'll try to get to those, and I will catch you guys in the next video.